Look what we're making today! Super rich chocolate cupcakes! Yay! Tiny Chef Universe! First, let's sift our dry ingredients. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then, add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Add the baking perfect! Now let's beat the butter and sugar. We need to make it light and fluffy. Add 1 egg and vanilla essence. Look at this beautiful batter! Now we gradually add our dry mixture. Alternate it with some warm milk. This will make our batter perfectly smooth. Let's make delicious chocolate frosting. Now we beat everything together. Perfect frosting peaks. Look at these perfect cupcakes. So chocolatey and delicious. You have to try this recipe. Bye-bye!